Good morning. Let's go to the Sensex and I'll give you some moving average based ideas. Okay, right. Let's clear up everything. Let's clean up the things. There are simple methods, and there are methods that you can make money well as a trader. You don't have to fight for it. Okay. One of the key important method is moving average. That will help you. The another one is we are using awesome oscillator. You can use either Williams percentile or you can use RSI, relative strength index. So I will show you in the awesome oscillator, and the third indicator what we need is an Williams fractal. Okay. This is what I have been practicing, or rather I have been seeing things. They are from 20-25 years I have been using this. So I keep making videos on these rather than diverting people into a different okay. Now this is one thing. So the question comes, usually people ask, can we trade in 2 minutes? The answer is yes, we can trade in 2 minutes. Say for instance, this gapped up and it went up. This gap itself, one second, let me take the tool. This gap itself was a significant, and before the gap, can you please see the length it has traveled? If you see the length it has traveled and it has gapped, and first 2 minutes has made it such a big candle, very likely it will make a 1, 2 and 3. Very likely it will make a 1, 2 and 3. So in order to get the proper this thing, we need, let me change the, sorry, I'm very sorry. Let me change the color of this and let me change it to input and change the settings. I'm very sorry for that. Okay. Now, the method I follow is basically if the 200 is away from price and 20 is away from price, and it just left the 200 with making such a huge ERC, we will wait for the price to come back and tag the 200. That is first method we follow. Okay. So this is the first fractal break below 20, and it continued and it made a pivot here. That's called a pivot. This is a fractal, this is a pivot, because pivot has got a certain A, B and C. Let me get this color correctly. A, B and C, pivot has got this. Okay. Now it makes A, B and C, and the first break of the fractal is your sell setup, and relatively this is your stop, and the first target is 200. When this was breaking, 200 was somewhere here, but you need to keep 1:1 or 1:1.5. So let's see. Stop is 172 and take profit is 2. And you made it. You made 371 points. Of course, 371 points, Krishna. This lot size is only 20. 371 means 5,600. Yes, that 5,600 is a money for you. 5,600 is money for you. If you understand this in a simplest manner, then you're making a biggest revenue. Then what happened? Then it make a B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. We need a break of this fractal pivot basically, not fractal, this is a pivotal line because this is a horizontal axis. So we need a break of that. And what happened is first 2 minutes it broke upside, then it broke downside, but it went below 200. So we are not going to buy below 200. Okay. Then it contracted here. Break up this first pivot, fractal from this pivotal line. This is fractal break. Our stop is this, and we have target for 2. 1 is to 2. I'll keep showing you this because you need to understand your job is very simple. Short sell, put the stop here, and take profit 1 is to 2. I think it made less. If you had put here, it would have been 1 is to 2. You would have adjusted the profit. That is, you had to adjust it. So it's a 301. Sorry, it's 401. Say, for example, 350 points you made this thing. Again, 350 is 7,000 rupees to you. So every single day, this made a first impression. Break of this will give you another one impression. Equal length of this. Should we have to buy here? You can buy that, but your stop remains low and the length remains same for this high. So we will not do these kind of things. We will wait for the first fractal to break, first pivotal fractal to break. Then above that we will buy and our stop will remain here and we have one more length. So let's consider that. Now I can show it to you in a replay. That is true. Your stop is 161 point and your take profit should be 2. Yeah, 330 points. Every single time. And when it breaks above 200, your entry is this. Your entry above 200, I've got some. Your entry, your stop is 200, 190, and your take profit is 2. If you can understand this simplest method, that's wonderful. Now I will show you some futures market. For example, Bank Nifty. Let's go. We'll go with the play. Say I will go with this. It is 200, 1 is 20, right? Right. Anything goes below this, it's a short sell. So, let's see. Now, this is the biggest ERC. We need to wait, but it is a short sell. If the market breaks above, we are not going to buy. If the market breaks below, we are going to sell. But in between, if they make any fractal structure, we will go and we will sell, break up the fractal. Now there is one fractal has been made, one upper fractal, one lower fractal has been made. Lower fractal has been broken. Yeah. Now it's a short sell for us. Now it is a short sell. Now what is the stop? Ideally, the stop is say around 56,100. And what is the take profit? That we didn't tell, right? Okay. Short position is here. Stop is 300 points. Stop is big, so we are going for 300 points as a take profit. So our take profit, one second please. So our take profit is also 300 points. This is our take profit. Yeah, 306 points. Notice, now we just broke the all the structure here. You just broke all the structure. Your stop will come on this now. Yes, you will trial all of your stop just slightly above it. Now your risk is reduced. It was one of the sideways market. It gapped down and it remained sideways market. Now your stop should come back to this because it is here the momentum is suppressing. If you are stopped out, you will be stopped out here. You are stopped out. Yes, there are risks. Sometimes you don't get to fill the profits correctly. There are risks, but you must have a valid method to take the take profit. You must have a valid method to take the. See, now it has come. In fact, it has come more than that. But yet, we have to go. We have to take an executive decision. There was another 170 points we were supposed to get, but we took a decision based on the patterns. Okay. I hope this video will give you more and more clarity on uh, trading profitable. Okay. Thank you.